PHE Minister Renikton Tongkhar laid the foundation stone of Nongpoh Greater Water Supply Scheme for the 20 villages under Nongpoh town. This water supply scheme was sanctioned at the estimated cost of Rs 103.71 crore by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. The scheme is expected to deal with the water woes of the area. Nongpoh MLA Merrill Bond's aim and MDC Balaji Rani, along with officials of the PHE department, attended the program.
Siguro kilongin kiblayo yung toy ng ba yung kanya kiskim mamudi kasos kede ng merat. Hagajing ya itu por kilongin kinanangbon kinong song kinanangbon isong kinananghe kata kede siya kede Tuesday jong kinong song kede dong time. But kalau penlong ba kanadang misi kedua. Ka Nongpoh hi kede ka wei negi jaga kiba kedua bahasa kisah Nongpoh sopor itu.
Sebenarnya hadap kata-kata hakaba gila poin kita achievement, big achievement. Hakaba kau state government ngin sa poin, gila poin nada rasa wal malah hentai dari most probably gila poin 100%. Hakaba in terms of scheme sanctioning on the GGN. Nanti whether I deserve to get the credit. But I want to tell you the fact that with regards to the GGM implementation in the urban areas, I have really worked hard.